Hey guys, hope everyone is safe and good. Welcome to my channel. As you have noticed, I've changed my channel name to Art EC with Portrait Girl. My videos are all about simple learning and hence the name. And I'm also super excited to introduce my new little friend Paru. I had this weird wish of having an elephant pet. All Madurai people must be knowing Parvati Kutti from Meenakshi Temple. In remembrance of her, I've decided this name. You can see her down there now. And also, if you are watching my video for the first time, hit the subscribe button. So let's get started with the video. The initial steps are similar to my previous video on how to paint eyes. You can check the link attached in the description below. We will start with the shapes first. Make a straight line and two acute triangles. The size is according to your wish. To copy the selected layer, Ctrl J or Command J. To transform, Ctrl T and transform. Now make two small inverted triangles at the bottom for the nostril areas and extensions at the top for the nose bridge. This is the outline layer. Next we'll add three small circles for the projections. Combine all layers with the brush tool selected. Curve the entire nose in a new layer. This will be the second outline. Reduce the opacity of both the layers according to your visibility. I have the lighting set from top left corner. In the previous videos, there were queries on how to decide the shading areas. I've included one more step for a rough shade. Since the lighting falls on the left side, it casts a shadow on the right bottom part. I've made my color palette ready from the eye tutorial video. Now let's start the base. With a soft round pressure opacity brush selected, let's start the shades. Don't forget to create a new layer. Always start with the bigger portions. The color palette taken is only for reference. You can adjust the values whenever you work on it. Note that the brush size is continuously adjusted. The shortcut keys are open square bracket and close square bracket. For the details, always use a small brush. You can of course use this process for the traditional drawing too. Since I don't have the proper equipment, I'm not doing it, but later I will. Do not zoom in at this point of time and don't worry about the blending. Now hide the outline layer for a clear visibility and start the blending. Use eyedropper tool and paint with a minimum opacity. The nostrils will not be entirely dark. Even in the dark portion, note that there are light areas. This is because only on parts where shadow is casted will be dark, and that too not pitch black. Now I am satisfied with the shades. We'll move on to the highlights. Because of the lighting, the highlights directly fall on the nose tip and center. Blend it a bit and give it a glossy effect. Always zoom in for detailed working. Give it some contrast on the shadow parts. When you darken the existing shades, make sure you reduce the brush size. and for the projections, give some highlights. Now work on parts apart from the nose. You can see the 3D projection now. We are now done with the painting. Let's find out the color changing technique. Group the entire painting and create a copy. Create new layer above the copy and make the layer option overlay. Now I am doing a lighter skin tone version. Paint the overlay layer with the lighter value. I do not completely recommend this technique for the final works. This may reduce the quality of your work. You can use this technique to get the required color palette and paint with those colors. Now we got the new color palette. You can try different skin tones and let me know in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video and learned something new. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye bye.